Oh, I'm so thirsty. Oh, somebody left that water. I mean, there's still nice people on this earth. Poof. Oh, that's nasty. Oh, it's laundry day. I'm so tired. Oh, it's good because my socks are basically done. And then I could relax and do other stuff during the apocalypse. So hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And this is the start of a new series. This series is more for beginner preppers, but if you're a more advanced prepper, just stay tuned because you may learn something. I put humor into this series and I'm trying to put a lot more time. First off, 1 gallon a day per person is the water, is what you should be looking at, because 1 gallon a day per person, that just doesn't cover drinking, because I don't think really any of us drink a gallon a day, but that includes everything else like sanitation, drinking, laundry. So for drinking purposes you don't need that much, but you should always have more water. And also a lot of people fill up used containers. I don't really do that. I don't want to take the risk. I just buy like water like this. Also, I don't buy the plastic containers where you fill up. I just don't do this. I find this cheaper. I don't do the 55 gallon drum thing. I would maybe like to do that, but no, whatever. So the 3 things you have to prep for water is water storage. So I got these at Dollar General. They're $1. They have a handle. I also got 5 gallons of water. Costco, they're in these boxes. Also, you have water bottles. I have this. This is for my bug out bag. So you want to store water, 1 gallon a day per person. It's always better to have more. And yeah, you could use the big plastic containers. And yeah, so let's go on to the next one. Filtration. So this is my bug out bag water kit. I have a pot, because if you don't know, you could boil water and purify it. Then this is more of a personal water filter. I don't have the bigger ones because they're more expensive. But this is the Sawyer water mini filter. That's the Sawyer. That's the cleaning kit. I have this in my bug out bag. Apparently it can clean 100,000 gallons of water or something. It fit on those. This is not a product review. And then pot, you could boil it. Oh yeah, also I have a coffee filter. You could put this through and strain all the debris out. Even if you take it through a filter, like a Sawyer or a LifeStar, it could still have stuff in it. Best way is to boil it, but sometimes you have to take the chance. Also, stagnant water, water that is just sitting there. I say avoid drinking that. You should have more moving water. Obviously, sometimes you have to, but the stagnant water has mosquitoes. The moving water has less bacteria, and obviously you should try to look ahead. So the water may be contaminated. There may be a dead possum up the river a little. So you want to always look out for that. And then the third is collection. So this is just a Nalgene. I have a couple of these. Nalgenes are just the best. They're super tough. They're not flimsy at all. They're made in the US. So yeah. And it's really just Nalgenes. I recommend them. And like I said, I don't have the big filtrations. I only have the Sawyer. But yeah, you know what? I can't afford, they're more expensive. I could save up the money, but yeah, they're some of them are a couple $100. And you also can make your own DIY water filtration. I don't really know about it that much, but you could use a empty bottle, put sand, gravel, and then the water goes down and then it starts to drip out. So hope you enjoyed that video about water. Please consider subscribing and smash that like button if you're new. Share out our videos. We're trying to get to 400 subscribers. So help us get to 400 subscribers. We're going to have an awesome giveaway with another YouTuber. So please smash that like button and subscribe and share out our videos. Happy Prepper out.